already started with rational and irrational numbers. In this lecture, we are going to learn decimal representation of rational numbers. This we will obtain by actually dividing the numerator by its denominator. So let's start with an example. The first example is 3 upon 5. We will perform this division. If we will divide this 3 by its denominator, that is 5. Now we cannot divide 3 by 5. So we take 0. So because of this decimal point, this 3 will become 30. And we know that 5 6 are 30. The subtraction is 0. Therefore, the decimal representation of 3 upon 5 is 0.6. We have another example, that is 7 upon 2. We divide this 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6. So remainder is 1. We take decimal points, so this will become 10. 2 5s are 10. Subtraction is 0. Therefore, the decimal representation of 7 upon 2 is 3.4. We have another example, that is 5 upon 6. So we will divide this 5 by 6. So we cannot divide this 5 by 6. We will take the decimal point and this 5 will become 50. Now 7 8s are 48. The remainder is 2. We take another 0 and 6 3s are 18. The remainder is 2. We take another 0. This will become 20 and again 6 3s are 18. Again remainder is 2. So this will become 20 and 6 3s are 8. So we are getting the same number again and again. So this 3 will occur infinitely many times. So instead of writing 0.83333, we will write this as 0.83 dot. Now we have another example, that is 7 upon 6. 6 1s are 6. The remainder is 1. Now we take decimal points, so this will become 10. 6 1s are 6. The remainder is 4. So this will become 40. 6 6s are 36. Again remainder is 4. So this will become 40. Again 6 6s are 36. Remainder is 4. So this will become 40. So again this 6 is occurring infinitely many times. So we write this as 1.16 dot. And 6 is occurring again and again. Now in these examples, in first two examples, we are getting the remainder 0. So we will call this as terminating. In another two examples, we are not getting the remainder 0 and we are getting the same number again and again. So this will be called as non-terminating recurring. We can write any terminating number in non-terminating recurring form. For example, 5 by 2. If we divide 5 by 2, then we will get half of 5, that is 2.5. But we can write this 2.5 as 2.50, as zeros occurred after decimal point has no value. We can write this number as 2.500. We can write this again as 2.5000. That is, we can write this as 2.5 and uncountable 0. Now this 0 has been occurred infinitely many times, so we can write this as 2.50 dot. So we have converted this terminating form in non-terminating recurring form, and still the value of the number is same. In this example, we are going to divide 103 by 5, but the number is negative, so we will keep this negative sign as it is, and we will directly divide 103 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, remainder is 0. We will take 3 as it is, 5 0s are 0. We will take decimal point and this will become 30. 5 6 are 30 and remainder is 0. So we'll write this division 20.6 and we'll keep this negative sign as it is. We'll try to solve one more example. Here we are going to divide 18 by 42. So in this example, both numbers are even numbers. So first we will try to factorize them. If you observe this, you will get that GCD for both numbers is 6, as both numbers are divisible by 6. So we can write this 18 as 3 6 are 18, and we can factorize this 42 also as 7 6 are 42. So by cancellation law, this 6 will get cancelled with this 6 and we'll get this in reduced form, that is 3 upon 7. Now we will divide 3 by 7. So we'll divide 3 by 7. As we cannot divide 3 by 7, so we'll take decimal point. Now 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28, the remainder is 2. Now this will become 20. 7 2s are 14. And again the remainder is 6. So this will become 60. 7 8s are 56. The remainder is 4. This will become 40. 7 5s are 35. Remainder is 5. So this will become 50. 7 7s are 49. Remainder is 1. So this will become 10. 7 1s are 7. The remainder is 3. This will become 30. Again we have got the same value. So we divide it as 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 2. So again this will become 20. If we will divide this, we will get that this number is in repetitive form. So we can write this number as non-terminating recurring 0.428571. These numbers are in recurring form, so we can write here as bar.